I am Diana Franco. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy recipe with a white-tailed salmon that is cut in small portions and is skinless, and a tomato relish salad. We're going to need a half a pound of salmon. White-tailed salmon is my favorite. Also, we're going to need some sea salt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, pepper, garlic. We're going to need a little bit of vinegar and a cup of grated tomatoes,
arugula,
and fresh basil. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing, we're going to preheat the oven to 500 degrees. And while we wait, let's put a little bit of salt to our salmon. I already heard that my oven is ready. So let's make sure that we put it on both sides. Always use a glove because you don't want to get burned. And we're going to put it in our lowest rack and reduce the temperature to 275. And we're going to leave it there from 8 to 13 minutes. So this way it's going to cook nicely in the outside as well as in the inside. We're going to start preparing our tomato relish. So we cut it first in half and then in fours. We start putting our tomatoes in our bowl. I love the smell of basil. Basil is one of my favorite herbs. I like to put all my leaves all together and then I roll them up so I can cut them all at the same time. So you see, I rolled it and then I cut it. Okay, so, and then we put it in our relish. Mice the garlic. We're going to cut this in very little pieces and then we put it in our relish. Then we're going to put the salt now. Remember, sea salt is the best. Pepper, your olive oil, and just a tiny bit of vinegar. You just mix it and we put it in the refrigerator. Okay, just bit. So now it's ready. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of, I'm going to stop that. I'm going to put a little bit of arugula, which I love. It's one of my favorite leaves. So delicious. It has a great smell and it tastes very, very good when you chew it. So we're going to have this ready here. We're going to get the salmon from the oven. Wow, this looks great. Can you smell it? It smells really good. One of my favorite things is to have the right utensils. And this is called the fish spatula. It helps you release without damaging the fish. It makes you release it intact. Okay, now we put it there. We're going to put the relish on top of that delicious fish. It smells delicious. And here you have it. A delicious salmon with the tomato relish. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to come back to my channel because I will have another delicious white-tailed seafood recipe just for you. Bye!